Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. Through this video, you can build up your vocabulary further with a few more interesting words. And the more and more phrases you learn, you'll be able to speak like a native, construct phrases like a native. Let us see how to say, I am not convinced. I don't agree to it. I'm not okay with that. I'm not convinced even a bit. இதில் நான் துளி கூட சமாதானம் ஆகல. Here, துளி கூட literally means not even a drop. But we use it to mean not even slightly. இதில் நான் துளி கூட சமாதானம் ஆகல. The man is not convinced with the work and he's saying it to someone furiously. இதில் நான் துளி கூட சமாதானம் ஆகலை. இதில் நான் துளி கூட சமாதானம் ஆகலை. I'm unable to accept it. In no way or whatever. I'm unable to accept it, whatever be it. இதை எந்த விதத்திலையும் ஏற்றுக்க முடியல. எந்த விதத்திலையும் means in any manner. See, this is the beauty of understanding a phrase as a whole and not just a word. You can cut paste எந்த விதத்திலையும் and use it in a different phrase. இதை எந்த விதத்திலையும் ஏற்றுக்க முடியல. She's saying about some project that is going wrong in every way. இதை எந்த விதத்திலையும் ஏத்துக்க முடியல. Unable to accept it. I'm totally unable to agree to it. இதை சுத்தமா ஒத்துக்க முடியல. சுத்தமா literally means clean. But he's clean and clear with the idea that he cannot agree. You can understand it so. சுத்தமா is completely or totally. சுத்தமா ஒத்துக்க முடியல. Completely cannot be agreed. இத சுத்தமா ஒத்துக்க முடியல. ஒத்துக்க means to agree. ஏத்துக்க means to accept. I'm not okay with it. இது எனக்கு கொஞ்சமும் சரியா படல. கொஞ்சமும் is not even slightly. You can also say கொஞ்சம் கூட சரியா படல means not feeling right about something. இது எனக்கு கொஞ்சமும் சரியா படல. That is the image from our famous fighting pair. Perhaps he goes in the night parties, not participating in household chores. இது எனக்கு கொஞ்சமும் சரியா படல. இது எனக்கு கொஞ்சமும் சரியா படல. இது எனக்கு கொஞ்சமும் சரியா படல. Okay friends, I should tell that I'm amazed at how some of you have progressed and the way you ask doubts and the sample phrases you make. I'm more than happy. My tips to you, keep making mistakes and then correct it. That is the best way to learn. And another tip for you is do not try complicated phrases. Make it simple. Look for an alternative. Words that conveys, nearly the same. That is enough. Even the native speakers in conversation, they speak with simple words. Not all the time the precise words roll out of your tongue. We convey, that is all. Now, having said that, try to translate this. I want you to make all the negative sentences to positive. Make it simple. Use any of the adverbs. I am convinced. I very much accept it. I agree happily to it. I am okay with it. I'll pin it in the description. Make mistakes and that is fun. But when you write, also try to write in English what you exactly mean. Please remember, you do not have to get stuck with just one word. Please look for alternative. If you're going to translate word by word, it's not possible. So make it simpler. If I wish to say I'm not convinced, I need not use exactly that. I can convey that in whatever simple way I can with vocabularies I know. So please follow that trick, and language learning becomes like a block building. It's really fun. And remember to refresh what you have learned. Please go to Instagram. That's the easiest way to refresh anything that you have learned. And often seeing different phrases, I find such a learning a real boon myself. And there are 170 lessons for you to refresh when you find time. All the best with your Tamil learning. Best of luck. Be sure to press the bell icon to be notified of new videos.